Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add shadow here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding shadows in Adobe Express is a simple process that can help your design elements like text or images stand out, and of course create a more dynamic look. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, this is the perfect opportunity for you to browse the inspiring templates that you can choose from. All right. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click the button right here. Now I'm working with this specific design and I wanted to add a shadow, particularly from an image. So I'm going to add a new page, same size. I'm going to go to the element or media section. I'm sorry. Going to the photos right now. Maybe this pink later right here. If you want to add a shadow for this, right? Click on effects. You see, you don't have any option for the shadow. All right. But what you can do is copy this, mirror that, go to the effects, and click the grayscale. Now, send it to backward, all right? And kind of like turn the opacity of this one right here. So it's kind of like acting like a semi-shadow, if you will, all right? Kind of like that. So semi shadow. I'm going to turn the opacity here. That's one way. Now the option is go to the elements. Now for example, this right here. You see on the border style, you can choose the border style, something like this. All right. So it's kind of like a semi shadow at the edges, right? Another best option for you to add a shadow is removing the specific image here. Going to click on the remove background. And from here, I'm going to make it like a bigger one right here. I'm going to the adjustments. You see, you can put in a shadow, right? You see that? You see the changes, right? You see the changes? So let me add again another image for us to be able to compare, right? Say for example, this beautiful lady right here. Going to remove the background for this and adjust the, go to adjustments and go to the shadows. You see that? If you add it, there's going to be a lot of difference. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.